I'm outside the front of my house, and obviously we've been hit by a tornado. Got trees down. Got limbs on my house. We're looking at the aftermath. Our neighborhood and our community's been hit by a tornado. Oh, this is Ed Metlock, and I'm showing some of the aftermath of the tornado. We're okay. Just the neighborhood is really devastated. Our house is pretty good shape. We got flooded. We're safe. But I don't know if you can hear. EMS has been working for hours. Just give you an idea what some of the trees and things look like. Quite an event. Worst thing I've ever seen since I've lived here for 40 years.